Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Mazda BT-50, stock number 6067. This ran from 07 2020 to the current shape. It has a 4JJ 3 litre 4-cylinder diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4JJ 3 litre 4-cylinder diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front mirror. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster,